Kind of strange, the first time I see a plane. Oh no, never mind. Nice new livery. Daddy. Oh, what's that? What the hell is that? I don't even know what it is. Is that Icelandic Air? Oh man, I'm so blind, I don't know, but I'm glad I got it. Airbus A330 probably? Cool. Oh, that's fucking cool. Right on. Beautiful day for flying. I don't even know. Oh, Air Canada. Yeah, that's what I expected. How did I know it was an Air China jetliner, right? It's not like we got a tons of variety of large aircraft that come in and out of the city. It is banking left big time. Look at that zooming. That is A330, I believe. I like how that car didn't honk at me, actually. Even though I'm a honky. Bye. That's a second helicopter that goes through here. Damn, it's hard to fucking focus on though. Jesus Christ. Ooh, Swiss Air. Nice. Thought it was Air Canada at first. Airbus A330. Right on. Right on. Air Transat. Ah, what do we have here? Is that a British Airways plane, perhaps? I think it is. 787, maybe. No, don't zoom out. That's the... Come on. I see the camera's cold now. It doesn't work well, these digital cameras, when it's cold. Come on, zoom, zoom. Stay focused now. Stay focused. It doesn't help that the object is moving, you know. Where's his in Air Canada? I'm tripping. It's in Air Canada. Isn't it? Yeah, Air Canada went. Stressed out. Oh, come on, focus. Damn cold. Oh, there we go, Air Canada. Barely got it. Oh, yeah. Ah, damn cold, man. The camera has trouble focusing when it's this cold. What is that, a police helicopter? Oh, he turned. He's gone. Oh, man. Oh, it's rare to see a big-ass plane landing over here. Look at that, coming out of the clouds. Is it Swiss Air? It is Swiss Air. Airbus A330 on landing approach here in Montreal. Oh, that's good timing. Look at that Icelandic Air, I think that is. 767. What an awesome paint job. That's probably the funkiest jet you'll ever see around these parts. Anyway, we don't get as many types of different jets coming in from all over the place as we used to. Because Montreal is small fry compared to other cities, unfortunately. And I might as well give them a plug, but I'm walking out of my favorite pizzeria here in the city. Coronet Pizzeria, baby. Yeah. Right here on Poitiers and Grenet. Right on. Oh yeah, baby. Air France coming in. I could suddenly hear the thrust of those engines. Nice. This might be one of the nicest parts of the day since it's been bloody cloudy all day, so. Right on. Winds are light. Oh, right on. Look at all these big heavies are coming right now. Of course, my definition of heavy is a really large jetliner plane. Kayla. Also known as Royal Dutch Airlines. Airbus A330. Air Canada Rouge. Alright, what do we have now? That's not an old plane. Look at all the LED lights on that. Oh. Air Canada. 767. Yeah, I think it's a 767. I think. Right underneath, eh? Yeah, man. I don't even know what the hell I'm filming. Oh well. Camera doesn't want to stay in focus. Air Canada. What the fuck is that? Oh, it's Sunwing. Nice. 737. Oh shit. That is Royal Air Maroc, I think. Wow, that plane is pretty fucking low, I gotta tell you. Oh, I got him turning. Banking. Beautiful day for flying. I'll show you how low this plane is. Look at this. It's not like I'm at Du Collège Metro here. I'm at okay, he was lower before. Anyway, whatever.